Wash your hands thoroughly and place the test kit on a flat and clean desk. Gently peel off the aluminum foil seal. Put the tube into the kit box holder. Remove the swab stick from the wrapper. Slowly rub the swab against the inside of your nose and make at least 5 big circles. Use swabs to wipe both sides of pharyngeal tonsils and pharynx posterior wall with moderate force. Insert the swab into the sample tube. Touch the bottom of the sample tube with the swab tips and stir at least 5. Squeeze the swab in the tube through the outer wall, 5 times of the tube by. Remove and discard the swab into waste bag provided. Put the tube into the kit box holder. Screw the purple tube cap onto the sample tube. Open the pouch and take out the test card. Then unscrew the top white cap. Squeeze 3 to 4 drops into the sample well of the test card. 15 to 20 minutes. Judgment results diagram.